How long is my case going to take? That is a very common question and a good one too. First of all, your case will take as long as it takes. However, different types of cases generally take different lengths of time. My nursing home abuse cases on average take between 18 to 20 months to resolve after it's been filed with the court. That's an average, so sometimes there's shorter cases and sometimes there's longer ones. For example, one of my cases resolved 30 days after we served the complaint on the defendant. And the reason was that we filed the complaint and then we served a demand on the defendant at the same time that we served the complaint. That demand was very reasonable because my clients had already done a lot of investigation prior to filing the case, and they understood the relative weaknesses and strengths of their case. So they were very reasonable and understanding on the limitations of their potential damages and wanted to give the defendants an opportunity to settle the case fairly early on before incurring the costs of litigation and moving forward in a potentially lengthy and costly process. However, that situation was an exception, not the rule. I would say that it's much more likely that your California nursing home abuse case would take the full 18 to 20 months to resolve, and potentially even longer, depending on how backed up the courts are.